Welcome to another episode, guys. My name is Grace Kermission. Thank you for always coming to support me. Thank you for coming to watch my videos, guys. I really appreciate the love. Here we are. I'm talking live from the village, and mostly in the village I expect to see such a small roads. I'm just from home and I'm heading to this side here. Baki. And I'm heading this side here, guys. So like the video, you can share. I know you have amazing friends outside there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Wow. So I'm just going somewhere. Today is a market day, and these are at our neighbors' cows, guys. Our neighbors' cows. Today is a market day, and I was just wondering if I can just go and move around, guys. Like I should run because I don't know whether it can push me away, guys. So thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching until the end, guys. Please subscribe if you have not, and watch all the video, like the video, comment. That's a better way of supporting me, guys. Yeah. So that one there goes to town, and this one there goes to the market, but all of them can just meet in one position. So I can use this one here. I can use this one. As here in the village, this one road, but then on the main highway, it's just up there. So people are developing here. Like, guys, people are not sleeping here at the village. This is the village, but then you may think that this is a big town, like, guys. So guys, we are almost to the market, and the market is just near here, guys. So drop a comment. This is my village market. Today is a market day, and it is on Sunday. Always we have market days on Sunday and on Fridays. There is a church here. Just guys trying to look for somewhere where I can do my hair. Just local, but then I have to see. Yeah. guys, hello guys, thank you a lot for being here. Otherwise I'd come to do my hair, and this is our local salon actually, and I've seen like without doing your hair, you look smart. Hey, look how it is guys. And the one who was doing this, she's here. Introduce yourself.
My name is My name is Rose. I'm a saloonist.
Did you go to college?
No, it is my talent.
Your talent? Ulizaliwa nayo?
Yes.
So what do you think about this business? Because other ladies, they want to stay at home, they want to beg from other people.
No, it's a good job. One must go and train for ourselves so that you will be capable for
uplifting yourself, maybe?
Yes.
So how many customers do you get like a day?
Like a day I can get around 7 customers.
Who are you swinging? Mbona una swing hivi? So guys, it is a Sunday.
So I attend my customer.
Do you how do you attend your customers when like when a customer comes? How do you attend your customer?
First of all, you greet your customer, give him a seat, you ask her, her some questions, whatever she should take, whichever.
So do you say welcome, or you just say karibu tuwe unaanza kumsonga tu?
No, I welcome my customer first.
Which criteria do you use? Like there are other customers wanaweza kusema at you have done my hair so badly. What do you tell them?
You have to be humble for the customer. Unastahili kutumia language yenye iko unajambo.
Like which one? Example like
kama customer amejam, unastahili kukaa chini unamwambia I'm sorry for that. Then unaendelea.
Maybe that one she will come again guys. So this is it here, but she's developing now. Otherwise she says that wewe wengine wanachati. She's developing now, like you can see that the salon is local because it is at a village. That is well, una train ama? Are you trained? Why did you choose to come to a local salon to train there, and then you did not go to like a college?
Because you know this one is cheap than going to college, you know. Due to lack of finance.
Sometimes, but do you love what you are training, or you are forced to come and just train?
I was not forced to do it. It's just I was born with it.
So, like, how do you feel if you want to be a saloonist? Are you only going to train to do the hair, or there is other things that you want to learn, like?
I just want to train my life. Then I like to do I've done just my exam last year.
You did your exam last year, and you want to go to university? Are you working hard?
Very smart.
Are you still learning, or you're only doing only the hair, like?
No, I'm just doing this, but meanwhile waiting for the time to join campus.
Okay, that sounds good. When you go to campus, you should know that your parents, they worked very hard for you. Also, you should work hard for the outcome. Maybe and then you will help them later. That's what I can urge you. Otherwise, I wish you all the best. If at the university there are a lot of challenges, a very lot of challenges at the university, you can go work hard. Wanaume uko kando, and then you only focus on what you are going to do. Thank you so much.